The crypto market has been awash with speculations about Pepe coins, Pepe, future trajectory, and current analysis corroborates a bullish prospect as multiple Pepe fanX, formerly Twitter, posts show. Let's take a closer look at the projections for Pepe, starting from its current position to its distant potential. Confirmania reported this week that the market cap of Pepe outrun Uniswap's, Uni, comfortably cruising $10.24 billion. Present market position. As of now, Pepecoin trades at $0.0000 to 478, with a promising price prediction pointing to a potential rise of 227.36%, reaching $0.00008078 by 11 January 2025. Indicators show a bullish sentiment, supported by an 83, extreme greed, score on the Fear and Greed Index. Over the last 30 days, Pepe experienced 15 green days, 50%, and price volatility of 11.67%, making it a favorable candidate for investment, according to analysts. The technical indicators further underscored this optimism. 50-day SMA, $0.00001609. 200-day SMA, $0.00001164. RSI, 1468.28, signaling a neutral market. Near projections. In the coming days, Pepe is armed to hit $0.00003210 by 17th December 2024, reflecting a 29.95% growth from its current price. This follows an 11.69% price increase over the past week. By the end of the year, Pepe could hover between $0.0000 to 468 and $0.00004897, averaging $0.00003666, a juicy ROI of 98.86%. 2025 predictions. Turning to 2025, Pepe is pumped to swing in a range between $0.00004200 and $0.000116, with a central price of $0.00006718. January is expected to be a standout month, with predictions suggesting a staggering 372.20% update from current levels, stretching into 2026 to 2030. Pepe's middle price is predicted to hover around $0.00003828, with potential tops of $0.00006470 in January and lows of $0.0000 to 059 in September. An upjump is expected, with prices ranging from $0.0000 to 257 in August to $0.00004616 in December, inking an 87.38% ROI. The bullish drama carries on, with Pepe's center value placed at $0.00004849 and peaks potentially eyeing $0.00007845 in November. A major leap is anticipated, with prices swinging between $0.000006 and $0.000156, yielding a 533.94% ROI. In an optimistic scenario, Pepe coin could achieve a high of $0.0001 in January, stabilizing at an average price of $0.00007962, marking a 223.20% increase. Key technical analysis. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, a popular momentum indicator, currently signals a neutral market at 68.28. Other oscillators, including the Stochastic RSI and Average Directional Index, ADX, also point to a mixed sentiment, providing a balanced perspective for traders. The 50-day SMA is forecast to spring to $0.00003746, while the 200-day SMA is expected to arrive at $0.00001698 by 11 January 2025. These moving averages suggest an overall bullish trend in the brief term. Support and resistance levels. Pepe Coin's price is supported at the following levels: $0.00000271, $0.00000209, $0.00001893, strongest support. On the upside, resistance levels are observed at $0.00000269, $0.00000275, $0.00003027. With a combination of technical indicators and bullish prediction, Pepe presents an intriguing opportunity for investors. However, volatility remains a big factor to think about. For anyone willing to embark on the trip, Pepe could prove to be a lucrative addition to their portfolios, especially in light of its future growth strides.